Verbal action stories are used to introduce the subtraction concept in the early years of schooling. You will need counters of one colour and two 10 frames. The single-coloured counters show subtraction as a whole, take away a part, leaves a part. When starting a verbal action story, it is important to discuss the context for the story, and in this case, it's puppies in a basket. Write a number in the first box. The verbal action story now reads 13 puppies in a basket. Place 13 counters of one colour on the 10 frames to represent the 13 puppies in a basket. Write a number in the second box. The verbal action story now reads 13 puppies in a basket. 5 were sold. Move 5 counters to one side to represent the 5 puppies that were sold. Now read the completed verbal action story. 13 puppies in a basket. 5 were sold. How many puppies were left in the basket? Count the number of counters left on the 10 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There were 8 puppies left in the basket. Record the story and answer as an algorithm. For example, 13 take away 5 is 8. The answer must be 8 because 8 and 5 is 13. This makes the link from subtraction back to addition. Other verbal action stories could include birds in a cage. Some flew away. How many birds were left in the cage? Or cookies in a jar. Some were eaten. How many cookies were left in the jar? Or fish in a bowl. Some jumped out. How many fish were left in the bowl? Over time, introduce the subtraction symbol to the algorithm. However, remember to still use the word takeaway.